welcome to my YouTube channel. Am I anything me? If this is your first time ever seeing my channel, thank you so much for being here. I'm so much excited to have you guys here. So in my last tutorial, I promised to drop a tutorial on how to fit a side pocket into a gown or a skirt. So if this is what you are interested in learning, keep on watching and please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get right into the tutorial. So in this place, I have gone ahead to cut the material for the pocket into 4 pieces. So can you see the material is 4 pieces? You can make yours 8 inches by 8 inches, depending on how wide and how big you want your own to be. To get where to fit your pocket in your gown, measure from your shoulder to your waist plus 1 inch. Make sure you put the lunge or you chuck it. Then take one of your pocket and sew down exactly the way you see me doing. Take one of the pockets, sew exactly downward like this, and repeat the same process to the remaining 3. Just take the side, take your pocket, make sure it's right side facing each other. Make sure the right side of your fabric or the material you're using is facing the right side of the gown or the skirt that you are sewing, and sew downward like this. Just sew it downward the way you see me doing in this video. So after sewing, this is what you should have. So the right side must be facing each other while the wrong side must be up like so. So the next thing to do is to join the side of your gown or your skirt together. Just follow the same process. You are going to get it. Just follow me. Sew downward like this. Just start sewing, then cuff your hand and sew it like this. So when you get to this place, just sew it around. You can sew yours in 4 corners, but I prefer sewing my own like this. Just sew exactly like this. Sew it like this. Make sure that sewing part is facing this side, like that side where the pocket is. Just sew exactly like that. So after sewing, this is what you have. I've gone ahead to weave mine. If you don't have a weaving machine, just trim out those excess. Let's turn. Oh, this is what we have after turning. Can we see how neat it is? Very neat and well laid. Can we see? This will be the end of our video. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.